Today we learn something. Today we learn something. Just definitely today onwards I want to do that. We are always going to think like, in 2 days, 3 days we are going to do. And later, our old pattern will come again. That is what motivation. Okay, because of motivation, you started doing, but as the time goes on, the motivation is going to fade out. Array, later I will do. Later I will do that. Okay, like automatically, we are going to stop that activity. At certain point, what will happen is we are going to leave completely. That is the bigger problem for most of the people. Yes, dosto. How many things in your life started like that? In the middle, how many things you stopped in the middle, left that in the middle, and later I felt a regret. Array, if I continue that, how my life will be something different like that. Any such type of experiences are there with you people? Have you felt any time like that?
Hundreds of times, sir.
Obviously, multiple times. Multiple times we felt like this because we are depending on motivation. Motivation. So is the least bothered thing. We never give importance for that bloody motivation. Remember this one. We require to build a system. We require to build a system. Whether motivation is there or not there, whether anything man, that activity is going to be done. Like that, we require to build one system, one process. That thing must be required. Okay, suppose I want to give importance for my health. I'm not giving that much importance for my health. If you feel that, okay, what activities you want to do? Sir, I want to go for gym. Yeah, wonderful. Wonderful habit. I want to go to the gym. Yes. Then what you require to do? Today onwards, I want to go to the gym. Day 1, 4 o'clock, this person is going to wake up. And he will go to the gym. 3 hours, 4 hours, he worked like anything, man. So all the remaining people are going to clap like anything because that much initiative this person did, and he started wonderful way. Second day also. Third day, the body pains came. Tomorrow we will continue. Like, or otherwise third day, rain is coming. Sorry, not in a position to go. Tomorrow we will continue. Once the break came, then automatically, we never going to do that. Later means
Never.
never. Later means never. Array, later we will see. If we are thinking like that, we never going to do again in our life. Remember this. Later means never. That's why. So if you are getting full motivation, I want to go to the gym, I want to think about fitness kind of thing, full motivation, simple thing what you require to do is, today onwards, every day, I will visit the gym as long as I'm in Hyderabad. Okay, whatever your places. Today onwards, I promised myself, I will visit the gym. Okay, today onwards, I will visit the gym just to see at least the board. That's my promise. That's it. That day is the rain day, that day is the shine day. That day, whether you have motivation or whether you have fever or whether you have cold, don't do gym hours. Just go there, see the board, and then come back. This is what the system. That was the motivation. Both are completely different.